Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to soak your fruits last minute for your Christmas cake. So if you haven't soaked your fruits for a year or a couple months ago, you can do it this way. So I have some warm water in my pot and I'm now adding in my mixed fruits. So guys, if you haven't done that, yes, fruits soak for over a year or a couple of months, this is the way to do it. I'm adding in some cherries now. So add your cherries, and it depends on how much cake you decided to make at home for your family or however you want to do your cake. So it's up to you how much fruits you want to use. I'm adding in some more cherries right now. So go ahead and use the amount of fruits you want to make your cake. I'm gonna add some prunes. So I'm adding in prunes. I'm not measuring this because I am just gonna soak this, and then when I'm making my cake, I would use the amount of fruits that I want to put in my cake. So this is not no measuring. This is just an way to soak your fruits when you haven't done it in advance. This is a last minute thing to soak your fruits for Christmas cake. So you can do this like 5 days or even 2 days. Now I am adding in some red label wine. So add some red label wine to your fruits, and I'm gonna add some rum. And you know this is the Jamaican rum. Everyone knows it. I won't even call the name, but everyone knows this rum. So go ahead, put your rum in. Now I'm putting in some orange peel. So what I do when I peel my oranges, I would leave piece in my kitchen to dry, so I use it to cook for flavor because you know that this is good and it's vitamin C as well, so it's good. So now I'm adding in some cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. So incorporate all that into your fruits, give it a good stir, and incorporate everything. Also, you can add vanilla to this. In this video, I didn't add vanilla, but you can add vanilla. I will be adding it when I'm making my cake. So leave it to cook down for about 30 minutes, and this is how it looks after 13 minutes. So make sure you go and check on it. Now I am going to show you guys how I put it in the drawer to soak. So after 30 minutes, when you stew down, cook down your fruits, that's how it looks. Can you see how that looks? Succulent. So now I am gonna put my fruits in. Guys, sorry about my hand in the video. The angle wasn't so right, but put your fruits in your jar, and then you're gonna add your rum and your wine to it. So now I'm going to add my wine. So add your wine into it, and as you can see, it's not going to go to the bottom, so I'm going to use a spoon to make my wine go to the bottom of the jar. So if you do it like so, that will help it to sink to the bottom of the jar. And then I'm going to add some more rum. So you need to add your rum and your wine and make sure it cover your fruits. And you can go back after a day to add some more rum and some more wine to your fruits so that it soaks very well, and when you're baking your cake it become very succulent. So continue adding your rum and your wine. Use your spoon to sink the rum so that it incorporated all of the fruits, and that's it, done. Voila. Close your jar and then store it until you're ready to make your cake.